Boat parade, boat parade. How was your day, Paul? Pretty good? Over? No, I'll put this on. I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel. Just to get my life going. Put up a video. All these boats showed up today. Say it's a pretty good day. What? I don't know yet. All these boats. Awesome, amazing boats. I'm the Mariner 1 right now. Sorry, Paul. Mariner 1. Say hi. This is going on YouTube. What? I said this is going on YouTube, so say hi. Hi. Paige? What? Say hi. I don't know. This is going on YouTube, though. Oh, come on. This is going on YouTube. Going on my channel. Hey, that's fine with me.
Yeah, I got my firefighter hat on. I don't have my firefighter hat.
Preston, say something for the camera.
Hi.
Hi. Let's see, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 40 vessels out here. See the coal docks right over there. Coming up to the bow of the boat. It's windy out here. About 12 knots. There's the coal. That's what heats up our houses. Yes, I am narrating, Paul. Earl, you want to say something for the camera? No? Oh, oops. There's another vessel. Too bad Bosun wasn't here, man. Bosun was the stuff. It was awesome.
Is that the new sign?
Yeah. That's the new sign.
I wish they had Wi-Fi.
You wish they had Wi-Fi?
Yeah. Let me get on YouTube.
Out on the boat. Having fun. What? I take YouTube videos. I can't help it. Taking vlogs. Me and my Coast Guard life jacket. It's orange. Got my knife right there. Can't get service. Alright, well. See you guys later. What? Yes, I am. No, I got it. I didn't. She didn't say it on. No. She didn't say it on the camera. I don't care. You can put that on YouTube.
I better not.
This is Haley Millets. Chris Hyde. Hope Martinez. Something about he's not dropping any more bridges or drop the antennas or something like that. That's Preston. That's Paul. That's another YouTube video. That's Earl Wagner. Page, the Scamps, the blonde, as we know it. Preston's mom. Captain Jim.
You got that on there?
I'll edit it out. Slipping. Catch you slipping. Catch you slipping.
Flip, and then everyone, your whole family will be on YouTube.
I can edit it out, so I mean, and it's not like YouTube isn't allowed to have profanity on it, so.
Yeah, just not John.
I just can't have nudity, so don't show body parts. Chris, sit down.
Arms are out. Nudity.
Nudity right there, that finger right there.
The finger?
Yeah, her ear. Yeah. We're showing body parts.
Close up on her ear.
I really did.
Let's see. Don't look at my ears.
Oh shit, I almost fell.
Don't look at me. Why you gotta be like that?
Because I gotta be like that.
That ain't cool.
It is cool.
Oh, right behind us. I didn't realize that.
Trust issues. I don't even know what to say for the camera anymore.
My hair's a mess.
Your hair's a mess. Yes, it is. Hope's hair is flying everywhere too.
But mine's worse.
You guys need to get. Close your legs now.
My legs are closed.
Don't fall, please. Do not fall. Hold on to something, dude. You just missed it, dude. She legit almost went overboard.
Wow, you should really not lay like that.
Oh, dude, I got that on camera too, man.
Turn around.
Like that looks like one of those pictures where somebody stands way back and like you're like on their head. That looked totally wrong, but it's okay. YouTube won't care.
My name is
Marissa. M-E-I-D. How long do you think that ship is, Chris? The Adam Cornelius? Ming Ming. Where's Ming Ming? Ming Ming came. There was like a couple Ming Mings that came by the top stand today. And did I tell you about how I said Dalafa Awara? And I said it exactly how she said it. Said it exactly how she said it. Dalafa Awara.
You recording yourself now?
What?
Recording yourself?
Mr. Troutman. Mr. Troutman.
Yes, Chris,
You're a faggot.
I am a faggot.
What? He's gonna cut that out.
Put that on YouTube.
I'm putting it on YouTube. I don't care. You guys can say whatever.
He's got a girlfriend anyway.
I would like to interview you, Mr. Troutman.
Yes, Chris.
Alright, I'm just gonna ask you a couple questions, okay?
Okay, Chris.
Be truthful.
Yes, Chris.
Alright, what's your first name?
My first name is Christoph Hyde. Wait, that's... Why did I put the last name in it? I feel dumb now.
No,
I got
that would be
Hope
the
Martinez
interviewer's
behind
name.
me. Or Marissa, whatever her name is.
Marissa. Ling Ling. No, that's Ling
Ling
Ling.
Ling. I got Ling Ling, and then I got Ming Ming. Ling Ling, Ming Ming. What do you want to be? Ting Ting?
Ting Ting?
Yeah.
Ting Ting. I don't know.
Sarah's Ding Ding.
Sarah's Ding Ding.
She's
Ding Ding, Ming Ming, Ling Ling, Ting Ting.
What are you, sir?
Wing Wing.
He's Ming Ming. He's Ming Ming.
No, I'm Wing
She's
Wing.
Ming Ming.
Ming Ming. Oh yeah.
I'll be Ting... No.
No, you're Wing Wing.
You'll be Bing Bing.
You're
Bing Bing.
Ping Pong.
Bing Bing. I'm Bing Bing. Ling Ling. No, Ming Ming. Bing Bing.
Dog.
Ting Ting. Ling Ling.
Right.
We're missing Ding Ding.
Oh, and Ding Ding's not here.
Alright, so now I'm gonna ask you a few questions.
Go ahead.
Alright. What do you think of this boat parade?
Boat parade sucks ass.
Why does it suck ass, sir?
Because we've been driving down a channel for 20 minutes now and I have not seen anything interesting.
It feels
Alright.
good though.
It does feel good.
So what do you think of Fleet Week?
Fleet Week's going pretty good. Seeing all the Navy personnel, the Admiral, the Mayor.
The mayor.
Did you shake the Admiral's hand?
Sir, yes, sir.
Did you shake the mayor's hand?
That's gay. Why don't you shake a man's hand?
He probably does
comment.
something with that hand.
I plead
That's why
the
you're
fifth.
not supposed to wash it.
What if he just got done jerking off? Come on. Why would you shake his hand?
Dude, I have to go home and wash my hands now. I don't
You
even know
haven't
what to say.
washed them yet?
No, I haven't washed them yet.
Yikes.
Oh, yeah, I have. But, ming, ming.
Ming Ming. You shush. You can cut that out if you want to.
Cut what out? I can't cut out audio. Yep, you're gonna deal with it.
And I said something
So,
about John
yep.
Brown.
So, everybody say bye now.
Bye!
Bye.